Can MultiversX be one of the winners of the next bull market? During this clip, I will explain why I think so. A very important thing to take into account is the fact that the big tech companies are investing tens of billions in the middle of this crisis to migrate to the metaverse. Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia are just a few examples. If the big world actors bet on this, it is very possible that in the next 5 years, this will become one of the winning cards. Starting from this perspective, I can believe that the epicenter of the next bull market will be in the metaverse and all the novelties it will bring. But don't imagine the metaverse like the last attempts from previous years. Think of the version of the metaverse that we will receive after tens of billions of dollars have been invested, and thousands of developers will have already worked for several years so that we can have an experience as close to reality as possible. If the premise from which I started is valid, then the rebranding from the previous year that transformed Elrond into MultiversX resulted in a very good project, which was able to compete with any other competitor. This made it into a project with which nobody can compete. This is not due to the name change, but due to the direction they've assumed, namely that of becoming the portal between the metaverses. Once the big companies create their own metaverses, MultiversX will be the portal between these worlds and the physical world. To convince you that these things will not only remain at the story level, the MultiversX team has already proactively launched this portal, symbolically called X-Portal, to meet the needs of the market. X-Portal thus becomes the first super app in the crypto world, where you can communicate with friends or family, send them money, and create your own personalized avatar with which you can participate in events in Metaverse. You can track your favorite coins, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly, and the list continues so long that it would be boring to go on. If you add to this the fact that it is the most user-friendly app in the crypto space, with a design so modern and interesting that it makes you forget to leave the application, well, we can expect the adoption of this project to be huge. It is important to mention that X-Portal is still your non-custodial wallet, with infallible security protected by a secret phrase of 24 words, because it has never faced a security problem thus far. So the only question that remains in our heads is, of course, why should we buy any coins besides eGold? Thanks for listening, and until next time.